All right, y'all. Before we hop into this video, I want to let you guys know that August 15th, my Discord will be launching, right? So it is totally free. You will not have to pay for a thing. You want to hop in, you want to be kick it with some like-minded traders, you want to learn some knowledge from me, you want to get some trade ideas, not a signal, but some trade ideas. I will throw those out almost every day that I'm trading. It is totally free. Again, hop in August 15th. It will be available. You also can potentially, if you want it, you ain't gotta have it, purchase the trading plan and strategy that I have. The strategy is a step-by-step from A to B, how I enter my trades, how I mark my charts, everything that you need to know. It will be in this document. It'll be downloadable. All you have to do is press this purchase button and it'll be downloadable for you. If you guys want a little bit more exclusiveness, if you guys want to trade with me live every single day, not just Fridays for the free people, but every single day, then you guys have the opportunity to choose the monthly subscription plan, right? This subscription is kind of like a mentorship. It'll be a mentorship, and I probably will cut it off, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't really want to have too many people in there. But if you guys want this option where you want to trade with me live Monday through Friday, if you want one-on-ones with me, where we can go over your trades, we can go over your issues, your psychology, whatever it is, hop into this exclusive subscription, right? You can see on this side, this particular subscription, only people who subscribe will be able to see what I post in here. It will be gems, it will be knowledge, it will be, trade ideas. It will be, hey, I'm looking to buy here. Hey, here's the link. We're about to go live. Whatever it is, if I want to kick some sauce to you guys, if I want to do some, breakdowns, whatever it is, you guys will be able to see that in this exclusive channel, right? So again, August 15th, launching Discord. If you guys want to be a part of it, look out for it, and I'll see you then. All right. Good morning. We are about to hop into some quick live trading really fast because I see an opportunity that is coming up on oil. So let me bring you guys to what I see in TradingView. All right, quick breakdown really quick of why I see a potential trade right here. Depending on what it does. If we go to let's go to the daily. As you can see, I have this daily fair value gap marked up. On the charts, I think that this is a really good point to look for buys. If I bring up my fib, we are right at that 61% on the daily, so it's going to be very active at this point. So I'm just looking for a quick scalp up, as I don't know what price is going to do after that. But right now you can see that we did break structure on the 1 hour. As soon as we broke structure and hit this fair value gap on the lower time frame, you can see that we were breaking structure on the 15-minute, right? So we came down, gave us a lower low, came back up, gave us a lower high, and then broke structure again. And immediately after breaking that last structure to the downside, should I get in here? One second. I'm gonna wait till we get a some sort of bullish closure, because I don't like, as you can see right here, I don't like how far up we are. So for me personally, I kind of want price to come down into its equilibrium of this push up. So somewhere in this 50% before I personally get in. If I don't get that and price just pushes up, then it just pushes up. But for me to get in, I need to see price come down to this 50% or its equilibrium for me to get a good RR. My target for this particular setup is going to be buy side liquidity sitting right here. I like that as far as a place to get out, just because I don't know how far price is going to push up after this, right? Again, we are on a higher time frame, so we are getting a lot of buying pressure in this area. But because we are still in a downtrend, I don't want to hold buys too much. So we'll see what we get. But again, the reasons I'm getting into this and the reasons I like this particular setup is just because we are breaking structure on the lower time frame. If we go to the 5-minute, you can see it just a little bit more clear. You see here we broke structure to the downside because we are bearish, and then immediately broke structure to the upside, right? Came down and then gave us that confirmation break of structure to the upside right here, which tells me, okay, this is my confirmation to get in for, or to look for buys. Not my confirmation to get in, but just my confirmation to look for buys at this point. I do not want to get into price or enter at this level right here as soon as we came into this fair value gap, just because we are way too high, and this is not at the equilibrium of this move, right? Again, for me to get in, I need price to balance itself out, right? Which means I need price to come down into some sort of discount of this push up, which is going to be somewhere around this 50% or 61%. Once I see that and I see what price decides to do, I'm looking for price to close within and not close below this fair value gap. If I do that and I get a nice push up, I'll enter. So that's what I'm seeing. Once price gets down there, I'll hop back in and show you guys what I'm looking at, if price gives us that opportunity or not. I kept this area right here just because this was the 15-minute fair value gap from this initial push up right here. So I want to see if price is going to continue to come down and respect this 15-minute fair value gap and use it as some sort of order block. So if we could do that, I like it too. But I really just want price to respect this fair value gap. So as long as we don't close above, I'm okay with taking it. I mean, as long as we don't close below, I'm okay with taking it. All right, guys. I am no longer going to look for buys just at this particular point, just because of the rejection that we got on the 1 hour and the 15-minute, right? So waiting patiently is always good. You never want to just hop in, right? So if I would have hopped in right here at this particular point, as soon as it hit that fair value gap, I would have got stopped out. So glad I waited. So let's take these off. I'm gonna keep this just because I want to see if price uses that, and then I'm gonna wait. I just want to see what price is gonna do. Well, so it's not a fair value gap play, but it may still, since it's currently looking like it's respecting this area here, it may still be in play. But we're gonna need a close. We're gonna need a bullish candle close before I even think about getting in. If we break this area, we know that we're back to being bearish. So all I can do right now is just wait, guys. I do want to see price fill this gap though. I mean, fill this wick. All right, guys, I do like this rejection right here, so I am going to hop in for a buy. I'm going to hop in for a buy here.
Order filled.
Stop loss is going to be under this low. Yeah, I don't like that. If we break this, I'm getting out. Gotta hop in it on my other account as well. Holding off really quick so I can see what price is trying to do.
Order filled.
I like the rejection. I like the push up that we're seeing. TP1 may be at these highs right here, but full TP is buy side liquidity. I'm interested to see what price does in this area here though. And I'm going to bring my stop loss up to this low, just because if we do break this low here, we are at the equilibrium of this full move. So if we break this low, 9 times out of 10, we are probably going to continue down. So I don't like how prices left no wick right here, which means we're gonna probably get some sort of rejection. So I'm gonna take off some, take off half. Uh, uh. Price is moving. Price is pushing. Do I want to close or do I want to hold? Close or hold? It's pushing. Let me show you. It is pushing. I went a little aggressive on this one. This is a challenge account, so I went aggressive. On my PA accounts, I did not go aggressive. As you can see, I did not go aggressive on my PA account. First of all, let's move this. Oh god damn. Damn. This shit pushing. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm about to get out. Look at that. I am out.
Order filled.
Out on that one. And these. It's gonna push my stops right there just because we are coming at on this high, and I don't know what price is going to do. My ultimate TP is up here at this buy side liquidity, but we're pushing, guys, heavy. We are pushing heavy. I wish I would have went heavy on this. But we always go safe on the PA. Always go safe on the PA. If we break this with no hesitation right now, I'm definitely holding to buy side liquidity. Don't you guys just love trading when you're winning? It feels good when you're winning, not so much when you're losing. But it's definitely rinse, wash, and repeat, right? Come into the market, do the same thing every single day. And if your trading strategy is good, if you actually have an edge, then you should win more than you're losing. Look at this push. Look at this push. Like I said, if you have an edge and you come into the market and you're super disciplined, waiting on your setup, like I did here, if I would have got in this area right here and not wait on my 50% retracement like I normally do, I would have got stopped out, right? But I waited. And I said I needed to see price come down into some sort of equilibrium. I'm talking to you guys, you can't even see what I'm showing you. Hold on. Like I said, if I would have got in up here on that initial tap into the fair value gap, I would have got stopped out, right? But according to my strategy, it has to, my better A+ setups come into a retracement at the very least the 50%, right? Some sort of discount in order for me to buy, or some sort of premium in order for me to sell. So I needed to see price come all the way down. I didn't know it was gonna come this deep, but I need to see price come all the way down into this area here before I buy up. Also, again, my strategy says what? Wait for a bullish or a bearish close and then get into the buy or sell after the break. And that's what I did. So following your plan, having an edge, coming into the market doing the same thing every single time is what helps you become profitable. And guys, I'm preaching this to myself as well, right? So I'm not a guru at this trading stuff. I am learning just like you guys are learning. It's trial and error, just like you guys are doing as well. But one thing that I'm starting to learn, the more that I trade, is sticking to a strategy, being disciplined, waiting for what you need to wait for, waiting for what you need to see in order to get out or get into a trade, and then executing it and believing it that it should work, right? Countless hours on the charts, seeing this play out, understanding what you're looking for. So guys, tap in, man. Like, I want to be able to do this for multiple people, you know what I'm saying? Like, and not that I just know what I'm doing all the time, but it gets easier the more you do it, right? And why not be able to trade with others live, helping everybody else, you know what I'm saying, who are struggling, or even helping myself, guys. Doing this live helps me, keeps me disciplined. This is the main reason why I'm doing it, because it keeps me disciplined. You know, understand that there's other people watching me do this. So I have to stay on point. I have to follow my rules. If I do not, I'm not going to get where I need to be. So staying disciplined, following my rules, waiting for price to show its hand, that is what's helping me become and seeing this profitability. I am nowhere near where I want to be, but I damn sure is not where I used to be. So we gonna continue leveling up, man. I absolutely love this trading shit, and will forever keep doing it. All right, guys, we are about to hit TP. We are about to hit TP, and we're gonna get out right at that high. Even if price pushes, my plan says get out at the high. Get out at some sort of liquidity. So that's what we're going to do. Just waiting for it to hit. While we wait on this hit, guys, remember, and I'm going to keep saying it until we launch, August 15th, Discord will be launching. You guys will be able to, it is free, right? Hop in. I'll be sending these trade ideas just like this one to the Discord for free, right? Take advantage of it. Come in, be around, chat it up with like-minded traders. Get some education while you're doing it. Have fun, because we're going to have fun while we do it. Or if you want to trade live with me, hop in when I get in. You know what I mean? You have that option, right? There's going to be an option for an exclusive members. As we're about to hit this TP, there's going to be an option for exclusive members to be able to trade with me every single day, right? The free Discord for people who are just going to be free will be able to trade with me on Fridays. But for the people who are actually paying a monthly fee, you will be able to trade with me every single day, as well as have an opportunity to have one-on-one with me at least once a month. Get the trade ideas just like if you can't make the lives, just like the free members get. And just have real-time access to me. You know what I mean? We will have, there will be different things in that live exclusive member channel. So things that the free members won't be able to see. So if you want to be able to have that type of access, tap into the exclusive
Stop
member
filled.
as we just hit TP. Exclusive member, and why didn't we get out? Why didn't it take me out? I don't know, but I'm gonna execute that.
Order filled.
Take myself out manually. But again, if you guys want to get into the Discord, it'll be launching August 15th. We will have an exclusive member section, as well as a free section for those who do not feel the need that they want to pay for it, which is fine. But for those who want a little bit more live access, real-time access to me, you guys will have the ability to pay for the exclusive channel. Again, live trading with me every single day, one-on-ones with me, ask me whatever questions you need. It's kind of like a mentorship, right? The exclusive channel, the exclusive members, is kind of like getting a mentorship on a monthly basis. So if you guys want that, if that interests you, tap in, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.